Hello friends, I hope all you are safe and healthy. Today I will show you how to install Android OS in Raspberry Pi. For this you need a Raspberry Pi 3. I have Raspberry Pi 3B Plus and a memory card. Memory card is used to boot the Android OS in Raspberry Pi. First of all, download the Android OS. For this you need to go the website Constacon. Here you see Constacon. Go to devices. Inside devices there are many things. I go to Raspberry Pi 3. If you have Raspberry Pi 4, go to Raspberry Pi 4 and go to the Android 10. I think this is the latest Android for the Raspberry Pi, and download the Android OS. Click to download. Click on primary download. This is the image file. Here you see I already download this. Now write this file to the memory card. Plug the memory card. Now it's time to write this Android OS to the memory card. For this I use Balena ITER. You can download this Balena ITER. I give the link in the description of the Balena ITER. Now open Balena ITER. You need to extract this. This is the Balena ITER interface. Wait for the extraction of this OS. I think extraction is completed. This is the extraction file. It approximately 7 GB file. Now open Balena ITER and flash the file, and 17.1. Here you see. Open this, and after that select the target where it to write. Here you see this memory card is of 32 GB. Select, and after that flash. It takes some time for flashing the memory card. Here you see the flashing part is completed. Now insert the memory card to the Raspberry Pi. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding to this project, then comment below and after that I answer your comment. Always wear mask and follow social distancing and stay safe.